Looking for bite-sized delights for your next party? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome to a symphony of flavors where we celebrate the art of appetizers. These mini morsels, the unsung heroes of any gathering, hold the power to set the mood for the entire event. Be it a casual get-together or a grand soiree, these bite-sized treats are the perfect way to kickstart your feast. Stay tuned as we delve into our top 10 mini appetizers. The scene script ready to whet your appetite. Here we go. First off, we have mini chicken and waffles. This southern classic has been downsized to a bite-sized delight. Imagine sinking your teeth into a mini waffle topped with a crispy piece of chicken. A drizzle of maple syrup adds the perfect touch of sweetness. Next up, caprese skewers. These are as beautiful as they are delicious. Fresh mozzarella cheese is paired with juicy tomatoes and fragrant basil leaves, all skewered together. A drizzle of balsamic glaze adds the perfect tangy finish. Then we have shrimp cocktail shooters. This dish takes the elegance of a shrimp cocktail and presents it in a fun, unique way. Each shooter contains a succulent shrimp, a dollop of tangy cocktail sauce, and a hint of lemon zest, all served in a shot glass. Mini quiche Lorraine is next on our list. These bite-sized delights are cheesy, creamy, and packed with bacon. Each bite is a burst of savory goodness that will leave you craving more. Bacon-wrapped dates are a sweet and salty treat that are sure to satisfy your taste buds. Each date is wrapped in crispy bacon, creating a perfect balance of flavors. Mini beef sliders are a party favorite. Each slider features a juicy beef patty on a tiny bun garnished with cheese and pickles. They're so good you won't be able to stop at just one. Bite-sized baked brie is a luxurious treat. Each bite features warm, gooey brie cheese topped with honey and nuts, all served on a cracker. It's a taste of luxury in every bite. Mini tacos are a fun and flavorful treat. Tiny taco shells are filled with seasoned meat, cheese, and fresh salsa. They're a bite-sized fiesta for your mouth. Spinach and artichoke dip bites are next. These feature creamy, cheesy spinach and artichoke dip served in a bite-sized bread bowl. They're a rich and savory treat that are sure to be a crowd pleaser. Last but not least, we have mini chocolate fondue. Fresh fruit skewers are dipped in warm, rich chocolate for a sweet end to our list. And there you have it, our top 10 mini appetizers guaranteed to make your next party a hit. Now that you have these tantalizing bite-sized delights at your fingertips, your next party is sure to be a hit. We've journeyed together through 10 miniature masterpieces, each a symphony of flavor waiting to be discovered. So why wait? Dive in, experiment, and let your culinary creativity shine. Shop now and access exclusive deals. Find the link in the description. Don't forget to check out our playlist for more, and remember to subscribe and share. Cheers!